their own benefit, they will use you to get that thing that they want to get. Beware of users. Or is it the ones that are using people to fight on Facebook, on cyberspace? The ones that are using people to fight. The ones that are polluting people's heart against other person. Don't be a user and don't allow someone to use you. Be wise. Don't allow someone to use you to get into a fight you know nothing about. Don't let someone push you into the fight that you don't know how it started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I believe you are doing fine. I am doing great too, as usual. Guys, in today's video, I will be talking about beware of users. Yes, beware of users. Users are in different categories. There are different type of users. So that is what we'll be talking about in this video today. But before then, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Mary. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber. I base here in Austria. You are welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. As you just click this video right now, thumbs up the video and let's have fun. So let's dive into the video. Guys, like I said before, this video today is about beware of users. Users, when they say users, there are different categories of users. Are we in different way? There are users by friend. There are some friends that are users. Also, there are some boyfriend that are users. There are some men that are users to women. There are some women that are users to men. It's the both way. Yes. So I will be taking it one after the other. First, let me start with friends. Friends that are users. How you know them. Yes. These users, these friends that are users, when maybe they are going through something and maybe someone offend them somewhere, and they will come to you to cry to you to tell you, look at what this person did to me. Look at what this person did to me. And when this person is, when this friend is telling you this thing, you will be feeling so bad. It's hearing it disturbing me. You will be feeling so bad for him or her. The way we will tell you, look at what this person did to me. Look at what this person did to me. Then you will now say, okay, and it will not tell you that, oh, because that person know that I don't have power to fight, deal with him or her, so that he will know that yes, I have someone. Don't do it. Do not do it, because that person is a user. He just want to use you to create enmity for you. He just want to put you in problem. There are also users. Users are in different way. Some people can just, maybe like this one that is raining now. Some people, maybe people that go to Africa, they do this business of bringing things from Africa for person. When they bring it, you will pay them, then they will give you what they brought from Africa. But there are some people that have this spirit of users. They know that when there are some things that you are not allowed to take to cross to another country. They buy crayfish. They will tell the people that take this crayfish, help me to go and give somebody in Europe. The person will not know that they put drug inside that crayfish and cover it up to send it to them. And when this person that carried that crayfish will not get to airport, and this person will not have problem, You see, they will just want to use that person to get that thing to them, and they will not sell it and make money out of it in the process of using another person. Those people are users. Another user again is in the in my Edo cyberspace on social media. If you don't know, I am from Edo State, Esa to be precisely. That one very, very short. I'm from Esa. So for Edo community on Facebook, there is this problem that they have been doing. They have been from one problem or the other. They have been quarreling. But some will come out and say, is this person that used me? This person asked me to help to beat the other one for you. This person said I should fight you. Is this person that used me? This person that used me. Why will you allow yourself to be used by somebody? And these people that are saying these things are mature people. Mature ladies, you will allow yourself to be used. I don't really blame them when it comes to this. This one used me, that one used me. Because these users, there is a way they do things. When you listen to them so much, if you are the type of person they can manipulate, when you listen to them so much, they will start manipulating you. They are manipulator. Maybe they will be telling you things. They will not just send you and say, go and fight for me. There is a way they will tell you the things, then you will go and do what you're not supposed to do. Even boyfriend, this one is another one. Maybe boyfriend, maybe someone is dating, a boy will be dating a woman. In that boy's mind, he know that he's just using this woman. He's not going to get married to this woman. I know that all relationship must not end in marriage. Yes, every relationship don't have to end in marriage. But in some points, when a lady, maybe a mature lady, is dating a guy, both of even in that lady's head, we think that yes, this relationship should get to marry, because if that lady don't like that guy, he will not be dating the guy. So in that guy's heart, he know that he's just using this lady. He's not going to get married to the lady. He know in his mind. But he will be using the lady. They will not be dating from 1 year to 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. They will just be there, and at the end of it, he will not marry her. But he's a user. He just use the lady. So we even be getting money from them. Ladies also use men. Some ladies, they will be dating a man, and in their hearts, they know that they will not marry this man. They don't even love this man enough to marry the man. But they will be dating that man, collecting that man's money, even in fact wasting that man's time. Because in the man's mind, the man believes that this lady is going to end up with him someday. That this lady is going to be his wife. He will be spending money, doing all kinds of things with his whole heart, thinking that this is my wife, this is my future wife. At the end of the day, the woman will not marry the man. That is a user. You are just using somebody just to get what you need. Friend and friend, maybe lady, girl and girl can be friends. One can be using the other one, and without her knowing, he will pretend that he likes her so much. He will pretend that they are into friendship, whereas that friendship is just for benefit, just because of what he's getting from that, for that her friend. He will just be using her friend. He will just be pretending as if they are best of friends, they are friends. In one's mind, he will think that this person really like me, this person is my friend. But the other one is just using that her friend to get the things that he's getting from her. It might be that maybe it just one company. We have some people get into friendship just for company. Maybe someone to talk to, maybe someone that will, okay, whenever he's going somewhere, he can say, oh, my friend, please, can I bring my children to your place so that you can help me to take care of my children? I'm going somewhere. The person also, oh, bring the children. Not knowing that person don't even like her. He's just using her in that process of friendship. It can be that, oh, I want somebody to be, or accompany me to somewhere. Just for that is called friends by benefits. Yeah, that one is friendship by benefits. That aside, in this video, I'm just talking about users. People that use people, beware of users. And there are so many users, people that use you for their own benefits. And the ones that really, that one that maybe they use you for just to waste your time, they use you just to for one thing or the other, that one is a little bit better. But the one that will use you to get into trouble, that one is dangerous. The one that will use you to get into trouble. Like the one that I'm talking about now, the one that they will put something that they know that it can implicate you into getting to a place that they will keep you there for years. They will still do it with evil heart because they want to get rich fast and they don't care what you will get. That is the punishment or the problem that they want to put you just for their own benefit. They will use you to get that thing that they want to get. Beware of users. Or is it the ones that are using people to fight on Facebook, on cyberspace? The ones that are using people to fight. The ones that are polluting people's hearts against other person. Don't be a user and don't allow someone to use you. Be wise. Don't allow someone to use you to get into a fight you know nothing about. Don't let someone push you into the fight that you don't know how it started. Don't allow anyone to push you into something that you don't see on this social media. I'm talking to the Edo cyberspace on Facebook, not on YouTube, on Facebook. Yeah, if you know them, you know them. Because what is happening right now, I'm using this opportunity to talk to my sisters out there, my Edo sisters there that are doing this thing. Please do not allow yourself to be used by anybody. Because friendship that you don't know how it started, don't use your head to carry what you do not know. Yes, that is what I said before in English. Don't use your head to carry what you don't know. Let people fight their fights. Anyone that wants to fight with somebody, let them fight their fights. Don't inherit somebody else's fight or don't inherit somebody's enemy because you don't know how they started. You don't know how they started the whole thing. Don't give room to users. Don't let someone manipulate you to believe that another person is doing them bad. And the person will not tell you that, yeah, because this one know that I cannot fight it, you have sharp mouth to talk. Then you will not enter into something that you don't know how it started and start fighting. Beware of users. Beware of users. Don't get yourself into trouble because of someone else. I know that we cannot be so careful in this life. We are not God. No one knows tomorrow. We cannot be so careful. But let it be that it comes from you. Let it be that it's you that is something happened to them. You will not say, oh, so that you will not say, next time I will not go this way again. Don't let it be inherited. You inherit problem. You be inheriting problem for someone you don't know. Someone you met on social media, you just inherit that person's problem. Don't do that. When you see two people are quarreling, what you're supposed to do is to advise them and say, my sister, stop this thing you people are doing. When you see that someone is going wrong, advise them. Don't join them to fight. Don't fuel the quarrel. Don't fuel the problem to make it explode. Beware of users. Beware of users. Because they will not give you an award for someone that fight for people. You will not get an award of that. And when the thing now become something else on you, first thing they will ask you, Was this problem from you? This started from you? Do you even know how this whole thing started? That's what they will ask you. And if they now ask you how did it, what are you going to say? Say because this person is insulting someone that I love, or someone that I watch. I don't even know how to say it. Then you will not start fighting. Where is your dignity? Where is your dignity? Where do you throw your dignity on? Guys, beware of users. Even also for the people that want to use someone to get they want to use someone to get what they want. Yes, they use someone to get what they want. I always talk about this thing. So many people do this thing. When they need something, they come close to you. Immediately they get that thing that they need, you will see their real color. Stop using people. Beware of users. You can do good for people, which is normal. But when you see a user, when somebody that is a user come close to you, you will know. But at first, you will not know. Immediately, he get that thing that he will want. No, I'm not talking about those that will just come to you and say, please, I need this thing. Can you help me? You are a helper. You can just help that person. But it's different. I don't know if you guys understand me. There are people that come close to you for a purpose. And when they get that thing that they come for, they will leave you alone. And not only leaving you alone, you will see their real true color. Immediately they get that thing that they are looking for. That is when you will see their real true color. Beware of users. I don't want this video to be too long, so I just want to drop this one here for you guys to know. Just beware of user and don't inherit someone else's enemy. Don't create enemy you don't even know how it started. And don't be fighting fight that you don't know the beginning of it. Please guys, stop all this. He's using me, he sent me to do it, he sent me to do it. You are not a baby. I know some people can manipulate your brain to use you. Be careful and beware of them. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.